Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Plovdiv, Bulgaria, and I'm going to the Alyosha Monument. And it's on top of this hill right here behind me. I don't know if you can read that up there, but anyway, the Alyosha Monument. And I think I'm saying it right, but I can see it way at the top of that mountain. But I found this board that has information. Let's take a look. And so this is what I'm going to, the Alyosha Monument. Alyosha Monument? But anyway, it doesn't matter. I'm going to try to fade back because I noticed on another video it wasn't focused. But this is called Bunarjik Hill, and it's a natural monument. But it's funny if you read the words here that it says the natural landmark consists of syenite rocks, and they date back to 99.6 million years ago, which is pretty crazy. This is what it looks like from above, right? And this is what it looks like from the city. So I'm way down here, and there's a polar bear up in here somewhere, but I'm going up to the top of that. And it's going to be a hike, and so I'll try not to take you with me the whole way because I'm sure you'll get bored. But there's bats and lizards and special plants and birds and all this other kind of stuff. So anyway, let me see if I can just show it to you so you know what we're looking at. Can you see it up there? You're like, see what? That thing. That's the Alyosha Monument, and that's where I'm going. Okay, well, let's get started. It's gonna be a hike. So, okay. Bye everybody. I'll see you when I get closer. Bye. Okay, well, it's certainly a climb to the top of the Alyosha Monument, way up there. But I'll make it. Oh, cool. Check this out. They have a gymnasium right here. How amazing is that? And there's the monument. So you can walk up here and do the gym and climb a mountain at the same time. And I don't know which way is the right way to go. Is it this way or this way? I think I'm gonna go this way. Okay, I'll keep climbing. Bye everybody. So going left, it takes me up to this like scenic spot where you can really get a great view of the city. And it's amazing how big the city is. And the tennis courts. And more of the city. And Old Town is right on the other side of this hill, where the tower is. Oh, what's that tower? I guess I'm gonna have to climb another hill. Okay, more climbing. Okay, and we're still trying to make it up to that monument way up there. Alyosha Monument. Stairs are my middle, oh my gosh, name. Okay, I'll be back. Bye-bye. Okay, there's stairs, but there's also a ramp. And you can see the monument up there. I asked the guy where the elevator or escalator was, but he just kind of shrugged at me. Anyway, more walking to come, for sure. Let's turn this corner and see what we're looking at. Oh, more uphill. Okay, bye everybody. I think I'm getting closer to the top. Man, this is a worker. Oh, it looks like they do concerts here. Oh, all right, how do we get up there? There's another monument over here. Wow. This looks like it was a shing-ding for sure. I think that's the way I have to go. So I guess I'll walk through here because there's the monument. Let's see if I get yelled at walking through here. Wow. This was a party. Oh my God, look at this. Holy crap. Wow. Okay, well, I guess there was a shindig for sure. Or is it a shindig? And there's the monument. And more stairs. Okay. Wow, that's a big boy. Really big boy. Oh boy. Oh, no more stairs, please. Okay. Well, let's go get into the shadow so that we can do a nice sun behind the statue kind of view here. Pretty amazing. And the view from up here is staggeringly crazy. Wow. Wow, wow. And that's where I came from. Way, 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 way down there. All right, let's show you the monument. It looks like he's got a Tommy gun in his hand. Wow. Machine gun central for sure. Oh. Okay, everybody. That's the climb up from the bottom all the way to the monument. And no wonder you can see it from the train station and all over the city. Pretty crazy. Okay, everybody. That's it for me. Bye.